Hello, today you're looking at a Lantech Q300 brought to you by Lantech. This has been tested and checked out. As you can see, it's in great working condition. Overall dimensions, 105 inches length, 67 inches width, 92 inches wide. Or 92 inches high, sorry about that. Total weight capacity is 4,000 pounds. It does have a 0.5 horsepower motor wrapped on there. Wired for 120 volts, 20 amps. You can see the inside really quick. Show you the controls. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.